down in turns 4. This is the main area where we got a lot of action up in turn 1 as well.
Oh, fuck.
Red flag, red flag.
Oh, he's on fire.
What's going on?
Uh-oh. Look out.
Fireworks! Oh no.
Oh. What's the red flag for?
I'm confused. Come on, let him go.
Let him go. I don't know. There's no fire.
Oh damn.
They got the ambulance. What is this?
Sometimes it's tough to see those flashing red lights because you're not looking for them. You're looking for the next car to hit.
I'm not a cop.
What's the ambulance?
All the cars are done.
No, they're just waiting for the red light.
What was the red light for?
It's for that guy over there where
Okay.
the cone on the top. That's where the guy is standing.
If you're out, get out and head to the center of the infield. If you've climbed out of your car, or if your car is out of commission, head to the center of the infield.
Hit over there. Just went right up around and hit him. There's absolutely no action.
If you're out, head to the center of the infield.
That motor's gonna take it over there. Doesn't get shut it off. No, I don't know what I mean. Keeping it wrapped up, it shuts it off, might not start. It's too hot.
Go right, what is he doing?
It's not over yet. I want to remind you, you got to get away from the fence.
Green. Let's go.